decided to, well, I don't know if we can say it, but dog decided to, you know, just chomp on designer laces. So copying these laces of the other one, and yeah. So if you've ever wanted to know how to relace Mega Lace Ramones, this is how. So basically there's no easy way. You just gotta follow one of them till you get them both done. But I did it. So you can see the laces are different. These ones have like a cream tone. These ones are like white. Because, you know, my dog likes to chew on shoelaces. So we gotta switch this one to the white. I think they look better with the white though. They really look good regardless, but yeah. So I gotta switch the other lace out so y'all can see that. So I just followed the first one to do this one. So now we're gonna follow this one to do this one. Even though it's kind of understandable, it's still a bit confusing. So this is how you relace Mega Lace Ramones. Those are the old laces. We got the new lace right here. And we about to go. So first you go through the bottom eyelet. And I normally go back far enough to let both of them stretch straight. And make sure they're the same length. Like exactly the same length. Because you gotta do a lot. So you don't want to be playing with the idea of two different lengths. Then, boom. Oh no, see that's the confusing part. So you don't go here, you go over here to the second one. You go from the bottom to the second one first. Boom, like this. Make like a long V. So let's do it on both sides. I'm gonna make a long V. Basically like this. Right? Then from there, we coming across back to number one. Type time. V to one. So you're going under number one. On the opposite side, you're coming back, you're making a star. So like this. Make sure as you're pulling, you lay in your lace flat so it looks the best. So coming from back from the other side, you're going down and up number one. Turn it so y'all can see. You're gonna go up the first plate. Like that. And then just make sure you twist in it so it's laying flat through the loops. Just so it gives it a better look. Like, it really does look funny until you get it completely done. So from there, we're going straight up the side. Kinda like this. This will be the third eyelet. You got 1, 2, 3. Boom, like that. Both sides. Go up the side. Boom. Now, there's where it gets tricky. You're going across and out this one. You don't want to go straight up again, you want to go over to the other side. Like this. I guess it's not really tricky. It's kind of the easy part. But it just feels so confusing until it's done. And then you get it. And you got your extra laces, you can whatever, you know. I normally leave them tied up like that, so it's not too hard to untie them, but it still gives the look that they're tied up, so the presentation is good, you know. But yeah, one loop around the collar, and then just cross them here. Keep the structure good. Pull this out. Keep the structure good. You don't want to let these get crushed and ruin a beautiful shoe. And then there you have it. There's the old, there's the new, you know.